What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Don here, back with another video, and today we got a special bird here. This bird was bred by me last year. I had flew this bird for maybe like a month or two around the house, and I ended up losing this bird 10 months ago, last summer. And I came out yesterday and this bird was on top of my house. It's a very nice bird. It's a hen. Couldn't believe it when I caught the bird that it was this bird. Very nice wing, strong back. I'm guessing someone had caught it and had it in their loft for the last couple of months, and they thought it was good to let go, but I guess not. This bird's kind of like brown type color. He's one of the first birds I bred last year. Has a ARPU band I got from Amazon. I didn't know anything about having the right bands, so I was getting the Amazon bands to band my birds. But I had lost this bird 10 months ago, and it just came back yesterday. It was one of my best young birds that I bred. It's a 2023 bird. It had smolted out real nice. If you go back on my channel, on my shorts, this is the 10th short I had posted on my channel, and it was this bird. It's a very nice bird, molted out real nice. Got the band I put on there, 997. Very nice bird. I'm real happy with this bird that it came back. I don't know what this bird is, no pedigree. This bird comes from a cream hen that I had paired to a grizzle cock. And I ended up getting this nice color here. Very different. Can't believe this bird came back after 10 months being gone. It's really cool. It's one thing I like about the hobby. Very nice swing on it. You can see it's a very nice bird. I'm happy this bird came back. It's a brown type color. You can see this bird's been gone for about 10 months. That is insane. Once again, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all have a good, blessed day.